Hi, I'm Ter Strongman at Thranky Ramaturaka. Thank you for selecting this video on developing rapport, how to build rapport with everything. This harks back to the video that I already uploaded here, I guess yesterday or the day before, with that title. I now have been asked a question regarding that. And the question is, let's say I'm a musician. Can I talk to the notes? Can I do that? Does this include like musical notes? If I'm a musician, can I talk to the rhythm? Will this help me develop a better rapport and better perception into the music that I play and into music, as a whole, as a musician? I could use that. So, can I do that? All right. In some video I made lately, maybe the one to which I just referred. Before I get going here, this nagging thing going on, right? If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, it's the Thranky Ramaturaka thing here, then I think you should. It's in your own best interest, all right? And I think you're just wasting your life away if you didn't do it yet. So here's a chance to do it right now. Go ahead. Subscribe. Activate the notification bell feature. And if by the end of this video you found that you liked this video, then please remember to give it a thumb up so that I know you liked it. All right? Share the joy of the channel with others. With those things having been humbly requested, now we can move forward. All right. In a recent video, I was talking about instruments of expression. It was a video about expression. And I used something as an example. I play the electric bass, and I talked about how I view what the instrument is and what I endeavor to do with it. One thing I did mention there was that as I'm improvising, there seems to be, at least in the background of my thought processes, a continuously running question. What does it want now? What's next? What does it want now? In real time, this consideration is always going on. Whatever sounds are currently being produced by the instrument, which includes my own thinking. It also, I guess, then includes this running question. I'm talking to it mentally. What's next? What does it want now? What's next? And I'm asking it that. What do you want now? What's the next thing? And the answer comes in the form of the next thing. Now, insofar as I am part of the overall instrument at work, I'm also asking this of myself. I'm asking it of the whole thing. I'm asking everything that. Ultimately, I'm in rapport with what's going on. I'm talking to it. That involves rhythm, timbre, tone, pitch, all of it. Right? All parts of the music. The notes, yeah. The rhythm, sure. every little bit of it. I'm talking to. And I'm listening for the answer and acting upon it all at the same time. It's a going rapport taking place in real time, right now, every moment. Yes is the answer to the question. Can I talk to the notes? Can I talk to the rhythm? Yes. You can talk to everything. And as a musician, yes, you should be talking to it. And you should be listening to it at the same time. You are not separate from the sound. You are not an isolated entity with respect to it. You are part of the instrument. You are part of the sound. You want to feel connected? And talk to it. That was the point of the video about rapport. Oh, there. There you go. I guess that's all I have to say about it. Because I stopped. The video didn't want anymore. All right. Well, then, did you like it? Well, now it's your reminder. Give it a thumb up. If you store lollygagging, skylarking, and, I don't know, what else do you call it? Lollygagging, skylarking, and, I don't know, got your thumb up your ass. Haven't subscribed yet. Now, here's your second chance in one video. Do it while you're right here, right now. Activate the notification bell feature. Share the joy of the channel with others. And, you heard it. Right here on Taranki Ramacharaka. I'm Turf Strongman. Oh, go be well.